What's going on, traders? It is 11:06 a.m., March 5th, and welcome to the bittersweet day. Bittersweet because, yes, my prediction did come true. We now have a new all-time high, which is 69,324 and 58 cents. And that triggered take profit. And in some cases, it triggered a little fear and people started selling off. But this first candle right here, this is a take profit candle. This third one right here is possibly fear. And looks like we still have some support down here. Obviously, it has broken through all the previous support and is still trying to go lower even as we do this video right now. So that's what the day is looking like. Yes, we have a new ATH. And yes, we are taking profit and in some cases selling off out of fear. We have to realize that there's new players in the market and they're used to playing stocks, not crypto. They have a whole different mindset. When they see red on the chart, it turns into fear a lot of times because they're used to that happening in the stock market. There's a huge sell-off. 9 times out of 10, the company won't recover. However, this is crypto. When there's a huge sell-off here, we look to Bitcoin and we see what Bitcoin's going to do because we know that that coin is going to drag the rest of the market with it, except for what people call shit coins. Those may or may not roll with Bitcoin. It's just a matter of what their purpose is, what they're supposed to do, what they're out there for, whether or not people are interested in any type of utility that they may or may not have. So yeah, that's pretty much what drives that. And so we're seeing take profit, seeing some fear. How far this will retrace. I believe this area, this last area of support, the first primary area of support right there, yeah, will hold. I don't think we'll drop below 60K today. But I do believe we're going to continue to sell off for a bit here. And that's going to cause, or is causing, basically a major retracement. People are going to call it a crash. It is not a crash. It is take profit and sell off fear from the new players in the game. That said, let's talk about another coin real quick. Let's talk about Solana, which is seeing some current sideways movement. Very choppy in through here, but that's okay. It's all well and good. Solana's old ATH is $259.96. That said, in this rally that we're going through right now, we're going to see Solana double its old ATH, bare minimum, which would bring us to right around $520 and some change, or maybe $519 and some change, right in that area. But beyond that, the price of Solana ATH will triple, bringing us right around to $780 before the end of the year. I expect to see Solana right around 780. And sometime in 2025, should the rally and the strength continue, I would expect to see Solana right around $1,000 before it's all said and done. So back to BTC. We are getting a little support right here from this area and a little from this old resistance, which is now trying to act as support. Not doing a great job. Candle body has broken through, obviously. And we're trying to break through this other right here. Hopefully, when we get to this other old resistance, which is now also support, it will hold and we won't have to rely on this support here. If this support right here holds, we'll probably get a bounce and start heading back towards the ATH again. So that's pretty much where we are right now, guys. Looking for a bounce in the support area right here to get us restarted on our track back to 70K. Speaking of which, you'll see that it's not a trigger point anymore. It's now a profit point. What I'm expecting to happen is that the $5,000 increments will now become places where people will sell off a bit. Maybe not a whole lot, but a bit. And that could be what we're seeing right here.
Incoming transmission. Incoming.
Because it is pretty close to that 70K profit point. So once we get back up there again, don't be surprised if something like this happens again. Maybe not as strong as this. Hopefully people will realize, okay, I don't have to panic and sell. I'm not going to miss out. Because again, these people are new. They don't understand what we're doing here in crypto. Once they get that crypto mindset, they'll know, hey, we should be pumping this, not selling off. Get that up to that 100K where we can actually then take some decent profit. So I'm going to call it wrap for right now, guys. You guys have a blessed day. I will see you tomorrow. This is the Dark Sage signing out. Peace.